So if you're looking for a commuter van to do your deliveries, the Promaster City is the ideal van. As you can see, this particular van has dual sliding doors for delivery convenience on driver or passenger side, depending upon parking and streets. The doors open rather widely, get completely out of the way for the cargo capacity, which, by the way, just so happens to be best in class. This particular vehicle has got 178 horsepower. It has 174 foot-pounds of torque. It is a front-wheel drive vehicle, which is good for inclement weather, especially up in here. We're around central Illinois. We get a little bit of all four seasons. So not only is it a good-looking vehicle, but it's very practical. And with that horsepower, it also gets best-in-class fuel economy. And not many, well, no one else can brag that. So let's take a look inside the unit. So inside you have 3 tie-downs on each side for a total of 6, plus the in-floor tie-downs. The walls are nearly vertical, which gives it the best-in-class cargo capacity. And then inside the vehicle, power windows, of course your intermittent wipers, does have your Bluetooth as well as voice recognition. We do have cruise control. We have our AM/FM radio, as well as our backup camera with our guidelines. As you can see, you also have the ability to work in media. You've got a media hub, so you can work in your music off of your phone. It does have air conditioning. Your interior lights, your interior light switch. Got all kinds of cubby holes for you. So it's got a cubby hole here, has a nice sized glove box. There's your fuel economy. There's your window sticker, 4-wheel anti-lock brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, hill descent assist. Awful lot of equipment for that price range. Got your cup holders in it, your chargers. No, that's upside down for you, but give you an idea, the vehicle does have armrests. There we go. And the mirror controls are inside the vehicle, so no need to roll down the windows to adjust your mirrors. So in a nutshell, that is an awfully nice vehicle for very little money. And it is a commuter special from a standpoint of a delivery van. So if you're looking for somebody who knows something about commercial trucks and you have some questions, feel free to call me anytime. Jim Costello, 309-208-8268. That's Jim Costello, Sam Lehman in Morton, Illinois. 309-208-8268. You have a great day.